This is the story of how I implemented black bars in my game. Like in a lot of action movies, they have this widescreen effect whenever something important happens, and in the game, these meaningful events are addressed by our announcer. And I thought it would be a good idea to dress the announcer up and really decorate it with the widescreen effect. So the question now is, how do I achieve this? And in our case, one of the most appropriate solutions was the render texture. So really, we can think of this like a MS Paint drawing, where the topmost part starts at 1 and the bottommost part is 0. Now that we have this foundation in place, what can we do with it? Let's just add one constraint and draw everything above a certain threshold as black. We get a nice rectangle, that's cool. We can shift this threshold around and animate it. But before we do that, let's do the same thing on the bottommost part and add a rectangle there as well. So we have two constraints with two different thresholds. So now we can just pass the information of when the event happens to the shader and animate it accordingly. And that's it. You have yourself a widescreen effect. And that's the story, guys. I will leave you now with the time lapse, and if you want to see the results, jump to this point in the video that's showing on the screen. Super. just slain an enemy. You've slain an enemy.